This is the Barber Blueprint. I'm not your normal internet guru. I'm a guy that's really in the trenches, really been through it, and I look forward to you getting some value from my story and from my journey as a barber in this game. I'm not standing here, the guy that's promising you that you're gonna be a millionaire. But what I am promising you is that you'll be a better barber if you apply the jewels in this book, the Barber Blueprint. Let's just type in #Barber on IG, and we're gonna see what comes up. You know what I mean? Just give your thoughts on.
Blurry.
Yeah,
that joint's blurry, man. Definitely a blurry fade right there. It's alright.
that joint don't even look real.
But it definitely looks, might have a little enhancements on there.
Yo, it definitely look painted. What about what you got for that one?
Give him a E for effort, man. That joint is definitely a little, looks a little crazy, man. Mine looks a little tough. Definitely looks a little painty, but it's alright.
Yo, it's got some simplicity to it, but I guess it kind of the way it all come together is.
I see how he kept it in the fade like that, you know what I mean? But you know everything ain't perfect, but you ain't gonna get everything super duper perfect when you're doing something like that. And that joint's definitely a crop top killer right there, man. He definitely did his thing with the products on top. That joint looks a little nuts. I never seen nothing like that before. Definitely E for effort, dog. I can't really see the size too much, but yeah, that's a different type of style right there, though. Definitely a good cut, though.
I would be stumped if somebody asked me for this. I wouldn't even know what to do.
Yeah, like you don't see too many people getting them. You know, that's definitely a young boy cut, though. I feel like they keep more than a lot of the hair on top. Especially he used a lot of products and stuff in there, for sure. Fire. I rock with it. Definitely a super dark though in the hair. He definitely used some enhancements on that to pop.
Yeah, that joint, I could rock with that. That joint is tough.
That joint's tough.
It is enhanced a little bit though.
He definitely.
I went the wrong way.
Freaked that joint though.
What you got? What you got for this?
That's a special haircut right there, man. You don't see too many of them coming out of the barbershops usually, especially with that color, man. The fade ain't too crazy, but see, still has some natural color right there around the ridge. But I think he definitely painted that one a little bit too.
What's about to happen here?
Oh, he's about to bring him back to life. You check that hairline, see where that receding line's at.
Yeah, I think he took too much hair off right there.
I think on the bald, yeah, he went a little too high on that one. Looks like you leaning to the right.
Yeah, just leaning a little
Eiffel
bit.
Tower is leaning to the right a little bit, man. You can tell. Yeah, that part's a little thicker to the right, man. He went a little too, he went a little super high on that ball taper, too.
I'd have brought that corner down just a little bit. I wouldn't have faded that high. This is
too high towards the ear, too. That joint's kind of pushed up. But,
you got time for one more, P?
Yeah, I got time.
All right, so this one, the finale, man. We see what P think about this joint right here. We just doing random joints.
Why didn't y'all put one of your own men on this top priority case? What the hell am I supposed to do with him? Take him to the zoo? I don't.
Shit. That joint looks super duper blurry over there. Look like a good taper to me. Go a little wave cut. Taper.
Bullshit.
I wouldn't do this. I wouldn't start my first line like that. I wouldn't even go that high.
He went a little super duper high on that joint, man. I know some people do that, but that's kind of a little super high right there. So I would have faded all that out and then bring it right into that ridge. Now you going so high, you gonna be getting into my man's waves. Yeah, I was just a little high, bro. He started off and it looked crazy. I just see the finishing product of this one.
All right, so blending it out with the Babyliss, you know, this just seemed like it's kind of high,
I
man.
think he just went super high on that side too. The other side he was just starting at, he just went super high on that side. I gotta see how he blended that out.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
This is definitely blended.
He definitely got it. He definitely blended that right out.
Bullshit assignment, nemesis.
Let's see what happens though in that next. Or he's just about to let it rock out. Like
I can't do a little blend like that little spot. Okay, got the clipper over cone with the thinning shear.
Oh god. I knew he had to do something.
This is it. This is the final.
In the back.
It don't look that high though from the side though.
No, not from the
No,
side.
it kinda-
That line around the ear, I don't think that's it. Is
I think he took that
wavy.
in a little too. I think he took that in a little too much. Too high around the ear, but I'm seeing a lot of people doing. Like,
How would you rate this cut on a scale of 1 to 10?
I think this is funny.
What you got?
maybe like a 7, man. That's me being.
This P. This is P saying this, not me,
Give him
man.
like a
Eric the Barber from Chicago. You know, you
7.
probably had Chirac catch us slipping one time.
Yeah, this is 6. I'm gonna give him a 6 or a 7, man. And that's being nice. Definitely got some enhancements on that joint too, but the blur you got, it's there. Definitely just he went super high with it. So I guess that just might have been his cut. That joint was definitely alright though.
Anything else you wanna say to the people while I got you?
Man, stop using enhancements, man. Just if they ask for it, man. Everybody's just spraying everything in town, man. But if you ain't got no designs, you don't need no enhancements. You don't need it if you're a real barber, man.
Facts.